How's it going, guys? So today we're going to solve the one of the coolest question, which is move zero. So this question is quite good. So basically what we have to do in this question, we have to move our zero from the array and we have to put into the right index. So what the question is saying, the same thing, like we're given an integer array of nums. Okay, we have to move all the zeros to the end while maintaining the relative order of the non-zero element. So what does it means is, like, we have to move these zeros, put it in the end without disturbing the current relevant element of non-zero element. So okay, so like 1 3 12 will come as it is, like we don't have to move there, like not like that, one after 1 12 will come, then 3 will come. No, we have to maintain the order. Okay, and the 0 will go on the right cell in the end. Okay, so how we're going to do this question? So we just use simple two pointer approach to solve this question. So how we do it, let me just show it to you before the actual code, what we'll do. So let's just say we have this array of 0 1 0 3 12. Okay, I will put my one ith element over here. Let's say my count is over here and my ith element is over here. So what I will do in this one, I will skip those element with if I like using my I will skip those element who's are facing 0. Okay, I will skip those element and I will replace the non-zero element with my count. So how it will happen is, let me just show it to you. So for example, like right now the I is facing 0. So what I will do, I will skip this 0th element. So it will simply skip it. Okay, the I will come over here now. Now I is facing a non-zero element. So what it will say, yes, I am facing non-zero element. Then just simply swap with me. The count will swap with it and the I will increment and the count will increment as well. So how it will happen? Like this. Okay, my 1 will come over here, my 0 will go over here. Okay, so my 0 is over here, now my count is over here and my I is over here. My I is again facing another 0. So what it will do, it will simply skip this one as well. From here my I is over here now. Now my I is facing a non-zero element. So what it will do, it will swap this element with the count. Okay, so this thing will happen again. So the 0 element come over here and the 3 element come over here and my count will go over here. My count is over here. Now the I will increment, the I will come over here. Okay, now my I is again facing a non-zero element. So what it will do, it will again swap it with the 0th element, with the count. Not with the 0 element, with the count only. Okay, just remember it will swap with the count. Okay, like this. So my 12 will come over here and my 0th will come over here. Now my count is over here and my I is over here. Like there is after this the array is closing, array boundaries over there. So what I will just simply put in condition, like when it is at the end, then just simply return it. So that's how we will get our answer. That's our answer if you look at over here. So I hope the basic is understand like how we implement our code. So that's how we will implement our code. So let's just implement the code first without any further ado. Alright guys, so yeah. So what I will do, I will just create one first base condition to check if my nums is at null. So it means like is it at the end. So I will just simply return it. Or my nums dot length is 0. So I will just simply return for this as well. So it means like if my nums, if there is nothing, just 0 element over there, then I will simply return it. It means like 0 will come only. Now I will initialize my count, which is at 0, is initial value 0, and I will say for int I equals to 0, I less than nums dot length I plus plus. Alright guys, so now in this one I will check if nums of I is not equals to 0, it's not facing a non-zero element. Then what I will do, I will create a copy and say my nums is my count. Okay, so and I will say my nums of count will swap it with the nums of I. Alright guys, and my nums of I will be now temp. Okay, now it is my temp. Okay, and one last thing, I have to increment my count as well. So I will increment my count as well over here. Alright guys, so that's it, all our code is. So let me just run this code. I hope this code is clear. Like we did the same thing like what I told you. Okay, so it's running over here. So let me just submit it. And here we go, guys. So guys, in this question, like we are dealing with the time complexity of n, and our space complexity is big of 1. So because like we are not dealing with any space, extra space, that's why. So if you look at over here, sometimes I don't know, I don't understand Leetcode. Sometimes it's saying memory is at 90.13%, but if you look over here, my memory is like something like 93, 80, I don't know, 83% something. Let's just see. So if you look at over here, I don't know, man. That's why. So using my memory space is 98.35%. So that's why like I don't understand Leetcode. So I have to check why these things happen. So anyway, like if you understand the code, then thank you so much guys for watching this video. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care, bye bye, and I love you guys. Love you guys.